Hello friends, today I will be telling you 15 amazing facts about animals which you may not be knowing. Don't forget to like and subscribe my video. A crocodile cannot stick its tongue out. Unlike alligators, crocodiles' tongue are attached to the roof of their mouth. So, an alligator can stick out its tongue, but a crocodile cannot. A shrimp's heart is in its head. That's because the cephalic portion, that is head, is covered with thick protective substances. So, having organs located in head is much more advantageous and safer than having them located in the tail part. It is physically impossible for pigs to look up into the sky. It is because the anatomy of their neck muscles and spine limit the movement of their heads and restricts them from looking upwards. So, if they really want to look up into the sky, they should either lie down or look for the reflection in the mud only. Shark is the only known fish that can blink with both eyes. They do have eyelids unlike most fishes. Though they still do not keep blinking because the surrounding water cleans their eyes. An ostrich's eye is bigger than its brain. Ostrich is the largest bird in the world, with eyes even bigger than its brain. Its eyes are about 2 inches in diameter, that is almost the size of a billiard ball. Did you know the tigers have striped skin, not just striped furs? And interestingly, the stripes are like fingerprints, so no two tigers have same pattern. Did you know the giant squid has largest eye in the world, which measures about 27 centimeters in diameter? That is equivalent to the size of a football or human head. And because of their bigger eyes, they can collect extra light and thereby they can detect even a small contrast difference in the ocean depths. Elephants are only animals that can't jump. For jumping, animals need really flexible ankles and really strong Achilles tendons and calf muscles. However, elephants have really wimpy lower leg muscles and not very flexible ankles. Rhinoceros horn is made up of tufts of hair which are tightly packed and glued together by exudates or secretions from the sebaceous glands which are present on the nose of the animal. Nearly 3% of the ice in Antarctic glaciers is penguins' urine. Since the temperature over there is much below 0 degree, the urine of penguins has to freeze in the ice and there is no scope to get washed off or evaporated. Pigeons can do math. They actually are quite intelligent. In fact, one study in 2011 published that the birds are capable of doing math at the same level as monkeys. During the study, pigeons were asked to compare 9 images. Each image contained different number of objects. The researchers found that the birds were able to rank the images in order of how many objects they contained. Put simply, they learned that the birds could count. If you thought that your cat was sleepy, just wait until you hear about koalas. Koalas sleep between 18 to 22 hours a day. The diet of these cuties require a lot of energy to digest, which is why they have got to nap so much. Octopuses can taste with their arms. Yes, they are called arms, not tentacles. The animal can taste and grab with the suckers on their arms. Even more impressive, the octopus are capable of moving at the speed of 25 miles per hour. Last, dolphins have names for one another. We already know that the dolphins are smart, but did you know that they even have their own names? One study in 2013 published that the bottlenose dolphins develop specific whistles for one another. I hope you liked the video. Please click on like button and share and subscribe my video. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified for the further videos. See you!